I just generated a photorealistic AI video in under 60 seconds, completely free, no credit card, no watermark, no catch. While everyone's dropping $50 a month on Runway and Sora, I found three AI video generators that are not only 100% free, but honestly rival the paid tools. I spent the last month testing every free option out there. Out of over a dozen tools, only three actually delivered. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how they work with real side-by-side comparisons. So right now, let's dive in. Now, the first tool's name is Meta AI, and this one is completely free and it can generate videos without a watermark. Now, for example, we can take a look here at this generated video, which one of the users actually created. Here on the left, we have this massive prompt, and then we have the result here, which also includes sound. So I think it's super fascinating that Meta is actually offering this completely for free. Now, if you want your own style of this video, you can simply click here on remix option. However, if you want to generate your own video, you can simply click on X, and down below here, you will have to create your own video with your text. So simply, I will put in this prompt: a sleek smartphone rotating on a white pedestal with dramatic lightning. And the thing is here, I will use this simple prompt because I will compare Meta AI to other two AI video generators, which are also free. Now, one thing which I will do here, I will select video down below. And if you want, you can also add your own dictation to this video, but I will leave it as it is, and also I won't upload any image right here. So with this prompt right here, I will click on animate, and now we can just wait here for Meta AI to finish video generating. And now here we already have the result on Meta AI. For example, let's take a look here at the first video. You can see that the phone is here rotating and that it does look pretty cool here. We also have other three variations, so we have this second one, third one, and the fourth one. Now, I will compare this video to other two AI video generators, and the second one is this one from CapCut. Now, CapCut.com, you can simply create your own videos here on this platform. So one thing which you will have to do here, click on create with AI button right here, and of course, make sure that you have an account on this platform, because without it, you won't be able to generate anything on this one. Simply click here on AI video maker, and then here I will paste in the same prompt: a sleek smartphone rotating on a white pedestal with dramatic lighting. And you can also pick the duration. Remember, this one on Meta, I think it was only 5 seconds long, but this one right here is 1 minute. And then here you also have visual style. You can go, for example, with realistic film, cartoon 3D, and others. So here I think I will go just with the realistic film, and then here you also have a voice. You can pick whichever you like. And then here I will click on generate. And right now you can see that CapCut is actually starting to generate the video. We are at 0%. So let's just wait for a few seconds until this is finished. Now, if you guys are enjoying this type of content, do me a favor, smash up the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support is, by the way, highly appreciated. And by the way, CapCut also offers this AI video maker. If you click on it here, you will be redirected to this website, and down below you can just simplify creation with AI templates, which you can find them right here down below. For example, here we have Climation, then we have Soldier Bear, and the other animation styles as well. And then you have instant video, brainstorm with AI, avatar video if you want your custom avatar to speak, and then you also have match media to script in one click, whatever you prefer. However, I think that CapCut is already finished with the video, so let's take a look here at this one. Now, in my opinion, this one does not look that good. You can see that unfortunately there are only images which are being then animated. However, there's one bonus tip here, because this one also has the narration behind it and the captions as well. But I don't think that the video quality itself is that good compared to the Meta AI. So we can clearly see here that in Meta AI we have this really sleek animation of this phone, but here we only have the images which were probably generated with one of the image generators, and then they are only here animated just slightly. And in my opinion, Meta AI is way better compared to the CapCut free AI video. Now, there's also a third completely free AI video generator, and this one is called Weir AI. Now, you can see here free. unlimited AI image and video studio. And if you want, you can simply generate videos on this platform as well. Quite straightforward. You can simply click here on image to video, and then here we have AI image to video generator. Turn your photos into creative videos that tell you story with ease. Here I will click on this, and then here you will have to paste in your image. So for this, I will go to Meta AI, and I will just go here and take a screenshot of this page. And now I will paste this image right here. And then for a prompt, I will put in the same prompt. So just like this. So we will have here the same image as we do here on Meta. And then we also have the same prompt as on the other two tools. Now, if you want, you can also put in your camera prompts. Here, I will, for example, click on this light bulb, and here it will tell me camera slowly orbits around the subject in 3D space, keeping the subject in focus while revealing the background from multiple angles. And now here I will select MP4 and video length 5 seconds. So pretty cool. And then video frame rate. And then here, video frame rate, I will go with 24 frames per second. And video dimension is 768p. And you can see here down below, unlimited and free. So I will click on generate. And now let's just wait for a few seconds until we get the final video. And now we can take a look here at this finished product on weir.com. Now, in my opinion, it does not look as good as the one compared to Meta AI. And now I will put all three videos on the screen. And please let me know in the comment section which one do you actually think it's the best one. In my opinion, it's Meta AI, but maybe you have a different opinion. Now, we can clearly see here that it has some deformities in this video from weir.com. And then here, CapCut only created some kind of a slideshow here with the animated images and then also the captions. Now, Meta AI is quite powerful. You can clearly see that this one is on another level compared to the two other free AI video generators. And on Meta AI, we can also go here back to the first page where we will see even other really cool examples. For example, we have here this really cool looking Iron Man. And yeah, it is really cool and it walks super nicely here. And the video duration is quite good as well. So overall, I can recommend here Meta AI. Then if you want, for example, really long videos, you can use CapCut here. And then we have also weir.com, which only animates the image, but not that good. So yeah, I will put every single tool linked below. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all around in the next video.